Traveling to Berlin can be an amazing experience. There's so much to see and do in this vibrant city. From its rich history and cultural landmarks to its thriving art scene and delicious food, Berlin has something for everyone. Here are some highlights to consider for your trip. 1. Brandenburg Gate. This iconic landmark is a must-visit. It's a symbol of Berlin's unity and peace and is located in the heart of the city. 2. Berlin Wall. Take a tour of the Berlin Wall Memorial or visit the East Side Gallery to see the longest remaining section of the wall, which has been turned into an outdoor art gallery. 3. Museum Island. If you're a history buff, you'll love Museum Island, home to several world-class museums, including the Pergamon Museum and the Neues Museum. 4. Reichstag Building. Book a tour to visit the German Parliament building and enjoy panoramic views of the city from its glass dome. 5. Tiergarten. This sprawling park in the center of Berlin is perfect for a leisurely stroll or a bike ride. You can also visit the Berlin Zoo, located within Tiergarten. 6. Kreuzberg and Friedrichshain. These neighborhoods are known for their vibrant street art, trendy bars, and diverse food scene. Don't miss the chance to explore Kreuzberg's Gorlitzer Park or Friedrichshain's Rogelande. 7. Potsdamer Platz. This bustling square is a modern hub of activity with shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues. It's also home to the Sony Center and the impressive Potsdamer Platz Arcaden. 8. Checkpoint Charlie. Visit this historic border crossing point between East and West Berlin during the Cold War. There's a museum nearby where you can learn more about the history of the Berlin Wall. 9. Berlin Cathedral. Marvel at the stunning architecture of this cathedral, located on Museum Island. You can also climb to the top of the dome for panoramic views of the city. 10. Street food markets. Experience Berlin's culinary scene at one of its many street food markets, such as Markthal Noon or Street Food Thursday at Kulturbrauerei. Remember to also explore Berlin's neighborhoods beyond the tourist hotspots to get a real sense of the city's diverse culture and atmosphere. Enjoy your trip. Friends, I am Khairul Islam Badol. I am Recharge on Google Art Studio and 4K high-resolution video. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like then subscribe. You can see new videos like this every day.